Hello guys, Cathy here. Today I'm going to do unboxing of ta-da! The canvas from the Pretty Neat Creative. Feel the beauty in diamonds. So they offer a very good tube packaging. It's nicely designed. And on the back it has 6 steps to diamond painting: unboxing, checking beads, storing beads, using pen tools, sticking beads, and hanging on, so that means frame. But first I want to mention to you, this package came with a very nice box. It came in a nice cardboard package, and I was quite satisfied with how it came with it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And I really love how they mention about the diamond painting, and it's by the Pretty Neat Creative team, and they put the 6 steps of the diamond painting there, as well as the QR code. So yeah, so you can see it has nice logo on the top of the tube box, and it's nicely sealed. Let's see, it has 1 tape. I think that's all. It is quite strong, so I'm going to use a knife to actually unveil the mystery. Ta-da! Okay, time to see what's inside. That's really good. Okay, inside of the package you can see there's canvas, and I don't see anything at all, but yeah, let's get to open this. Okay, I'm going to take it off, and it's time to open the canvas. Oh, it's very soft. Now I'm touching the canvas. It's very soft, and I can feel the weight of the drills. And let me just shake this. There you go. So there's canvas and toolkit. So what I'm gonna do right now is just show you what's in the toolkit. So they have very good Pretty Neat Creative logo with their slogan, and it says PNC toolkit, and says the kit contains tweezers, double-headed pen, and pen grip, tray, and glue pad. So I'm going to open this. It has double-handed pen, tweezers, and a tray. There's a standard tray. Like this, and a glue. And a grip. Okay, here it goes. It is, ta-da! It is Pretty Neat Creatives 50 by 50 girl and a bear. So there is 2 girls on the right side of it and left side of it, in the corner, the top and the bottom, and a spare in the center. As you can see, the girl is very visible, the right side of it, and even the bear, and the girl on the left side of it. It is so beautiful. So here's the drills, and I'm going to open this package to show you guys if I have everything I need. It's all accounted for, and I love the packaging. It's very nice. I really love the feel of the soft canvas as well as the packaging. It's very nice of them. So yeah, my first impression is, so far I'm super impressed, and I think I'm quite excited that I'm gonna order many canvases from them and work on it, because their canvas is just nice. I worked on previous canvases, and worked on previous canvas from them, the Pretty Neat Creative, and this is the huge leap from where they were to now. So I really want to thank them for making this happen, because this is what diamond painters need: the plural gold canvas with the DMC color on both sides, and two packaging, which there will be no wrinkles or damage at all on the canvas. So yeah, I'm super happy about it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.